watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe Mrudula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and once again welcome back to my channel. In my last video I showed how to make vanilla ice cream, so today we will see how to make chocolate ice cream. This recipe is very easy and you will get smooth, creamy and super chocolatey ice cream. So let's get started. To make this chocolate ice cream we need half liter, that is 500 ml full fat milk, half cup sugar, 1 cup cream. The cream that I am using is Amul fresh cream with 25% fat content. You can also use heavy whipping cream. This is low fat cream, so we need to scoop out the thick cream from it. For that, keep this pack straight for 1 to 2 hours so that the thick cream will be at top and thin whey will settle down at the bottom of this pack. Then cut it open from top. Scoop out this thick cream. You can skip this step if you are using heavy whipping cream. Next we need 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 60 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate, 1½ tablespoon cornflour also known as cornstarch, 1½ tablespoon GMS powder, 1/8 teaspoon CMC powder, that is half of 1/4 teaspoon measurement. This GMS and CMC powder helps to improve the texture of ice cream by making it smooth and creamy, and it also helps prevent formation of ice crystals. You can get these powders in any supermarket or you can buy them online. I will put the links in description box below this video where you can buy them. Start by mixing all the powders. For that, in a bowl take some milk from this 500 ml milk. To this milk add CMC powder, cornflour and GMS powder. Using a whisk, mix this very well to get lump-free paste. Next, in a saucepan add remaining milk, sugar, cream and cocoa powder. We need to sift this cocoa powder so that it gets mixed well. Mix this very well. Now turn on the flame and set it in between medium to high heat. Keep mixing so that the sugar dissolves completely. Let this mixture comes to boil. This mixture has started to boil. Bring down the flame on low and add cornflour, GMS and CMC paste that we made. Before adding this paste, mix it very well and then add it to the mixture. Keep stirring continuously. Soon you will see this mixture will start to thicken. This is the right consistency that we need. Take this off the flame. While this mixture is still hot, add in dark chocolate. Keep mixing till the chocolate melts completely. Let this mixture cool down. As this mixture cools down, it will become more thick in texture. Once cooled down, take this out in a container. I am using rectangular baking tin. You can use any container which is available. Cover this with a cling wrap. Place this in freezer for 3 hours. After 3 hours, you can see it is not completely set. Right now it is like semi-solid. This is how we want it to be. Now take this mixture out in a blending jar. Blend it for just 20 to 30 seconds. Again transfer this mixture in container for final set. Cover with cling wrap. Put this in freezer for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, this ice cream has set and is ready to serve. This has turned very creamy and super chocolatey without any ice crystals in it. So I hope you all like this video. You can check my other summer recipes by directly clicking on these images. Do give my video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more easy and yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.